Welcome back to the old man's unkept garage. Today I'm going to try to make a makeshift press, if you will, to remove wrist pins from pistons using, and I hope I get this in view here, all thread tape, some nuts and washers, and a couple of pieces of pipe. And we will see how that goes. Okay, I'll show you how I got this thing rigged up. Nut here holds it in the vise. This is a jam nut and a big, really thick washer. Jam nut, big, thick washer. Now here's my tape, and the 1/2 inch pipe will go over the top of it. It'll stick out a little bit. Your piston, what did I do with the piston? Your piston will go on here. The tape will help guide that in because it sticks out a little bit, okay? This piece goes in here. Where they at? That ain't it. What'd I do with them? There they are. 2 really thick washers go in here. Uh-oh. I forgot one major component. Grease this bugger really good, or you're gonna strip that thing out. You can already see the threads are kind of whacked on it. All right, then the washers. Nope, then that. Then the washers, and then the nut. Now I'm using electric impact for the most of this, but I started off with a wrench to kind of make sure everything's lined up. And I'm gonna, after I wipe the grease off my fingers, I'm gonna try to set my phone down to where you guys can see it. All right, now then, make sure it's lined up in the back. Raise this up into position. Take a wrench and get her started. Once it gets tight, even though I am using a deep socket, it's not quite enough to get it all the way out. So use a wrench. To finish pushing it out, and then take it off. I really hate getting my hands greasy. You know this? And yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna hear about latex gloves and all that kind of crud. Gojo's a lot cheaper. Yep, threads are getting a little bad there. Yep. You saw it, it went on there right easy. Haven't got any threads. And it's whacked. Come on, baby. You went on there right easy. What gives here? Drill the inside of the hole up. How about that? But anyway, I put all this together for less than $20. Barely less, but less. Come on now. Come off of there. And you are separated. How about that? Almost.